we are assembling the Drosselmeyer shadow box card. I've got all my pieces organized, I hope, and I'm going to start with the box part of the card. And I'm just folding it first on these two score lines. And then I'm going to glue this to this tab. Being careful to get this as straight as I can. I'm only going to glue one side into place right now until I complete the assembly of the card. Okay, so we have the smallest stage piece goes on this front. And then you want to start with the smaller semicircles. And they line up to the top and the side. Okay. And then the longer piece goes in the center. Just like that. Okay, and now the front of our card is complete. So I'm going to lay this under my mat so that it can dry flat. And then I'm going to pull in the front layer, and that's the piece that has the Drosselmeyer on it. And I'm going to fold each side on that score line. The first thing I'm going to do is put my floor on. Like that. Okay, and now let's bring forward our pieces for the clock. We're going to layer these two pieces. On the clock front, the face, and then we're going to put our pendulum in. And I'm going to make mine swinging. There we go. And then we're going to glue this into place. And now for our Drosselmeyer. He's got several pieces here, so I tried to organize it. Let's go ahead and put the inside of his cape on first. You just want to leave him a nice little trim all the way around, like that, okay? And then we can glue his vest to his shirt and his pants. Just like that. And he's got a head-shaped piece as his backing, and that is for his eye patch and his eye. So let's just glue these into place, just like that. Okay. Now we can go ahead and put his head on. You're going to line this up here with that. Okay. And then put his shirt and pants on. And now I'm going to go ahead and put his head on, I think. Yes. So put his head on. Then you can get his hat too if you'd like. And he does have a band for his hat. Now this piece here is to make his cape look like it's on. So we're just going to glue that right into place just like that. I probably should have rosied his cheeks. Or his cheek. Let's see if I can get some ink down in there. Now his hair, I'm going to go ahead and stick on here first. It's not the right size. because I have a Nutcracker cut as well, so I grabbed the wrong piece for this one, so let me ink this here. That will be the next tutorial I do for the Nutcracker. So now this is his hair. We're just going to glue that right into place, like that, and then put him on. Okay, so now we're going to glue him down. And there we go. There is your Drosselmeyer. And I'm going to set him under the mat and let him dry a bit while we put our last layer together. Fold your tabs. Start with your floor. And then we're going to just glue the tree into place. I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here at the top and glue on the star. There we are. Now let's pull out our box, the box form for the box card, and we're just going to lay this piece right inside with the tabs open, and we're going to glue it to the side. Okay. Want to make sure that is stuck down well, and when you lift it, just be careful so that you don't pull it off. There we go. And now let's get out this one. We're going to lay this one down flat with the tabs open right on top of the first layer. And do the same thing. Bring this over and glue the side. Okay. Again, we just want to take enough time to make sure this gets stuck down well. And then we're going to put glue on the tabs over on this side. And now for this side, we're going to leave the side down flat on our table, and this side is going to be out straight. And we're going to glue these pieces right into place. Carefully fold it in the other direction. Don't pull those tabs off. And now open it up. Put glue on your last tab. And glue your card shut. Okay, and there is the Drosselmeyer. Thank you for joining me.